very beginning of this adventure, the Scoutisme Zazav Malagasy has involved the girls in the co-creation team. Each branch of each association were represented. These girls gave their ideas about the activity that could be interesting for both the members and the community. They also gave their ideas about the name and the badge for the program. They tested the activities and gave their feedback. Few months later, Girl Powered Nutrition was ready to be launched. When the curriculum has been finalized, a global training of trainers has been conducted in Sangam, where each association of the Scoutisme Zazav Malagasy has sent one national trainer. They went through the curriculum and got to understand the process of the flow for the GPN. Once they arrived in the country, they have planned with the support of WARGS a national training of trainers. The training has been held in Antananarivo, and the Federation was able to train 40 trainers from 15 regions and the national commissioners. Then there were the trainings for the leaders. Each association has had different dates for the training of leaders. 476 has been trained for Fanilu, 1026 for Panazav, and 125 for Kiadi. 19 regions has been reached from those trainings. Few weeks after that, the leaders conducted the activities in the curriculum in their unit. They started with the green stage, followed by the yellow one, then the orange, the turquoise, the blue stage, and finally the red one, where the members reach out to at least 2 people in their community to share what they have learned. 10,440 members have been able to finish the curriculum till the end and have received their badge. But apart from the badge, the girls and young women have improved their knowledges and attitude to make healthy choice. They also have increased their skills and confidence to influence their community members.
Lasa matanjaka dia taloha dia calcifié foana amin'ny fakofaka foana ny tanako fa amin'izao efa tsy manino intsony. Lasa mazoto homana dia mizotomisotro rano.
Betsaka be moa izany ny tombontsoa azonay satria izay zavatra nampiharin-dreo tany amin'ny fivoriana tany amin'ny Fanilo dia ny zako koa nataoko rehefa tonga taty an-trano. Dia hitako fa tena nety tsara taminay menakavy kely ny fihinanan'ilay sakafo ara-pahasalamana.
When members finish their red stage and get their badge, they could have applied for the action fund using the Girl Powered Change Pack. 13 lucky team members got the opportunity to conduct their project within this action fund. Some has already done theirs, and some are still in process. Furthermore, each component association were able to conduct their action hub. For Fanilu Madagascar, it was held in South Fanilu. Their activities were focused on the improvement of the knowledges of the community around the good nutrition. A rainbow plate competition, art competition around GPN, and moringa and Phelambarca planting were the main activities of their action hub. Farmers, teachers, and students were the main targets. For Panazavet Madagascar, their hub was in Madzang, and their activities were focused on the sustainable colorful plate for a shelter and the sustainable healthy menu for the food seller in the beachside. Trainings, cooking competition, kitchen garden establishment have been held to meet the goals of this project. For Kiadi Madagascar, their action hub took place in Tamatave. It has targeted the wife of the rickshaw drivers and some restaurants which also cook for them. Their activities were more oriented in the knowledge improvement and the behavior change around their nutrition. Around 1,469 community members was reached through those action hubs. In the last week of July 2019, 19 young women from 7 regions have gathered in Antananarivo to be trained as advocacy champions. They were ready to raise their voice about the eradication of the malnutrition in Madagascar. The national campaign objective is that by 2024, malnutrition for children under 5 and children at school will be reduced by improving eating habits and improving the education on nutrition at school. The training has empowered these girl guides and helped them to be ready to follow their action plan. Some approached the decision makers in their region, such as the local authority, different ministries related to youth and nutrition. Some took any opportunities to speak out about the issue they want to address. Some took over the social media to make a call for the decision maker, and some took advantages of the media channels to do so. The national campaign event has been held in Mahajanga in March 2020 during the food festival. It has gathered all the advocacy champions. They were able to speak out to the decision maker about the eradication of malnutrition, the amelioration of the education around nutrition at schools, and the importance of the non-formal education. It has been followed by a carnival to raise awareness about the importance of the colorful plate in our everyday menu. In the international level, the Scoutisme Zazava Malagasy was able to take part in different international campaigns and events. They were able to connect with the Scale Up Nutrition Global through WOGS and Nutrition International. That has allowed us to participate in the Global Citizen Platform to convince our government on the necessity to increase the budget allocated to nutrition from less than 1% to 3%. In addition to that, we were able to push the decision makers and the donors to turn to projects related to young people, to the nutrition of girls and young women. During those different events, we also managed to widen our network with the youth working around nutrition. We also managed to sensitize the population around the importance of the good nutrition for girls and young women. We attended the Young Women's Advocacy Forum, where WOGS has trained us in advocacy and communication to support us to lead the campaign in our country and to prepare us for the Women Deliver 2019. The Nutrition International has also provided a workshop in nutrition and provided also a support for us to speak on platforms with senior government, UN, and private sectors officials about the need to make girls' nutrition a priority. Webinar sessions took place to increase food security for girls and young women. One was the result of the collaboration with the All Africa Students Union, and the other one with the OBPS supporters from US and the western part. There was also a webinar organized by the Generation Next Voice of Youth, where one of our advocacy champions raised her voice about nutrition as a fact conducting to a sustainable development. Apart from the members, the member organization has benefited from the capacity building offered by WOGS in terms of planning and monitoring and evaluation. The GPN program gave opportunities to approach different potential partners and to collaborate with them to improve the nutrition for girls and young women in Madagascar. In those partnerships, we can find HINA, the Scaling Up Nutrition Civil Society represented in Madagascar, the National Office for Nutrition, the UNICEF Madagascar, the World Food Programme Madagascar, the Water Aid Madagascar, the Ministry of Youth and Sports, and other local authorities. The GPN program was unique on its own. It is a girl-led program for girls and women within and beyond the association. It has impacted the life of our members and also the community members. The program has also ensured that in 5 to 10 years, we have healthy and well-nourished girls who are cared about by the society, who are able to reach their full potential, and who are empowered to take actions to break the intergenerational cycle of malnutrition.